Hello everyone, I am Little Hand. Yesterday, a netizen asked me what do you do with my little hand. I thought about it seriously. I run a brick-and-mortar store, selling second-hand phones online. I should be a cell phone seller. What about the little hand? This is Honor Max first generation Magician. What about this phone? Because this is the first time I have received it with my little hand. I've never sold Magie's first generation Magician before. Although Magie 2 I often sell, but I haven't seen the first generation. So I saw this phone the day before yesterday and immediately took it back. This phone was launched on December 16, 2016. It's almost 5 years old now. It's an old phone. Used phone for a few $100s. The little hand took it back just to see what he looked like. Feel the feel. The phone has a 5.09-inch AMOLED screen. The screen is still very good. The feel is also very good. The phone uses front and rear 3D floating glass. Feels lighter. And I feel like a curved screen. It is the CPU of the Sea Lion Kirin 145 grams. Mobile phones are relatively thin and light. This old machine also supports a super night scene shooting. There is also an infrared front-facing camera hidden on the screen. Although it is a machine launched in 2016, but it supports 40 watts of fast charging. This machine, I received it all original, no dismantling and repair. There must be shortcomings. What are the disadvantages? He's been using his phone for years after all. Battery is not very good. If at 20 or 30% electricity, it might suddenly shut down. I was going to change the battery. I studied this machine yesterday. The workmanship is really good. I think I looked at it for a long time, and I don't know how to dismantle it. So I decided not to toss or sell it cheaper, or just return it directly to my colleague, because this is a cell phone given to me by my